Almost 2 years ago I made this DIY bird feeder and another one similar to it. I'll put a link into the description below and put a card up in the top corner if you want to check it out and how I made these wonderful little feeders. It showed some decent interest, so I wanted to show how well these have held up so far. It was pretty simple to make and I was really proud how it functioned and of course looked. Now remember, these are bird feeders, not squirrel feeders. A quick update on my DIY Squirrel Baffle a little later as well. So here it is. Of course, what you'd expect, the containers have faded and the vibrant red color is gone. What I'm impressed with is how the hot glued chopsticks have held up that were the little perches for the birds. They're still solid and they haven't fallen off. This one, however, has come apart a little bit. The sticks coming out of the feeder are fine, but the 4 sticks that connect to the perches, only one has stayed put. I guess hot glue was insufficient for this application. Now, when I do refill these feeders, I clean out the bottom with a stick just to keep the drainage holes clear. I normally feed the birds from the fall to the early spring just to aid through these less abundant times. With humans continuing to reduce habitat and food sources, I feel like this is something that helps a little bit. I'm also trying different types of feed, but so far the black sunflower seeds are the most coveted by the cardinals and finch species. Based on the wear and tear over the 2 years, I think the feeder should last for years to come. The wooden chopstick pieces may have to be replaced at some point, but that's probably it. I've really enjoyed all the species coming by for a visit, and I've especially enjoyed watching my new and improved Squirrel Baffle keep those ravenous gray squirrels on the ground and just picking up the scraps that the birds drop. Now, I don't hate squirrels, it's just that they eat so much that if I didn't have the Squirrel Baffle there, I'd be spending a ton of money on feed and there'd be so little food for the birds. Hope you enjoyed this little update, and again, check out the full videos of how I made those feeders up in the top corner, and of course the video on the Squirrel Baffle as well. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Ladybug adventure.